Now what we're doing here is we had about 5 inches of pan depth. Jason got a 6-quart Hemi pan. So we want to make sure that there's enough room from the bottom of the pickup to the bottom of the pan. And so I went to the house and grabbed some of the kids' Play-Doh, and we're going to smash the pan on.
Let's smash.
Not quite sure what this is going to tell us, but in theory, it works.
Hopefully it doesn't stick to the pan.
It might.
I think it just did.
It probably did. One of them did.
One did. That is how far away the bottom of the pickup is from the pan. You have your...
Now, if our incredibly technical way of measuring is accurate, there's about an 1/8 inch from the bottom of the pan. We're going to test it one more time. So we got the Play-Doh on there. We had an 1/8.
Yeah, we want 3/8. I have 30 seconds. Oh boy, I squished it. Oop. I have 30 seconds. Oops.